Hello runners, this is Mrs. Rudel. Are you ready to do some digital art with me? Come with me, you're going to really love this. Alright runners, so I have a fabulous idea. I thought we could do some digital art for our moms because Mother's Day is around the corner. I know a lot of you are doing projects or creating something for mom for Mother's Day, and I thought another way to be creative and be able to express your feelings is through digital art. So I have posted some links at the top. Just go to those links and it will take you to websites that you're able to create those digital art. Remember, just have fun, be creative. I know a lot of them you're able to save your work and then you're able to show them to your mom. I know kindergarten is working really hard. You guys are going to be doing some poems for your mom, and it would be so neat if you can have that connection. Show me a picture that reflects what your poem is about, right? All right, guys, so I hope you guys have fun. I can't wait to see your work. How to send me your work? And you want to show me what you did for Mother's Day? Just send me a message through our Facebook message, or you can go to that to my email that I have listed at the top. All right, guys, I can't wait to see all of your work. Have fun. Just have fun. Bye. I miss you. Mwah. Bye.